Evaluation and control are parts of every project manager's job. Control by wandering around and involvement can overcome most problems in small projects, but large projects need some forms of formal control. Control holds people accountable, prevents small problems from mushrooming into large problems, and keeps focus. Regarding this topic, we are working on several sections. The structure of a project monitoring information system, the project control process, how to monitor time performance, the development of an earned value cost and schedule system, how to develop a status report, some indexes related to monitor progress, how to forecast final project cost, and other control issues related to project management. The project monitoring system involves determining what data to be collected, how, when, and who will collect the data, the analysis of the data, and reporting the current progress. In determining what data should be collected for the project control, some typical key data are actually activity duration times, resource uses, and actual cost. They are then compared against planned time, resource, and cost. Second, we identify the way of collecting the data by answering some questions such as who will collect the data, how, and when will we collect the data. And then, after analyzing the data, the right report should be sent to the right person because different stakeholders have different interests related to our project. For example, top managers usually want to know if the project is on time and within budget. Project team members, however, focus on their deliverables and specific work package. We should design our reports suitable for right audience. Typically, project progress reports are designed and communicated in written or oral form. A common topic format for progress report as follows. The progress since last report, the current status of the project in terms of schedule, cost, and scope, the cumulative trends, the problems and issues since last report, and the plan for corrective actions. Control is the process of comparing actual performance against plan to identify deviations, evaluate possible alternative courses of actions, and take appropriate corrective actions. The project control process will include 4 steps. 1. Setting a baseline plan. That's usually the detailed plan that you build in planning phase. 2. Measuring progress and performance. You may use qualitative or quantitative approach. In this topic, we only discuss quantitative method, thus earned value method. 3. Comparing plan against actual to evaluate the deviation from plan and to determine if action is necessary. Usually, the status report should be taken place once every 1 to 4 weeks. 4. Taking corrective actions. If the deviation is significant, which means the gap between actual and plan is large enough. A major objective of progress reporting is to catch any negative variance from plan as early as possible to determine if corrective action is necessary. To monitor time performance in your project, we may use tracking and baseline Gantt charts. These charts show you expected, actual, and trend data for event duration performance. Or we may choose control charts by plotting the difference in schedule time on the critical path with the actual point on the critical path to figure out if your project is ahead of schedule or behind schedule. The earned value approach provides the missing links not found in conventional cost budget systems. It starts with the time-phased costs that provide the project budget baseline. Given this time-phased baseline, comparisons are made with actual and planned schedule and costs using earned value. At any point in time, a status report can be developed for the project. The earned value cost and schedule system uses several acronyms and equations for analysis. There are EV, stand for earned value, PV or planned value, AC or actual cost, CV, the cost variance, SV, schedule variance, BAC or budgeted cost at completion, EAC, the estimated cost at completion, ETC, the estimated cost to complete your project, and VAC, the cost variance at completion. To develop an integrated cost and schedule system, a project of 5 steps should be followed. While 3 first steps are accomplished in the planning phase, step 4 and 5 are accomplished in the executing phase of the project. 1. Defining the work using the WBS in terms of scope, work packages, deliverables, organization units, resources, and budgets. 2. Develop work and resource schedules by scheduling resources to activities and time-phasing work packages into a network. 3. Develop a time-phased budget using work packages included in an activity. Accumulate budgets or PV. 4. At the work package level, collect the actual cost for the work performed, multiplied percent complete times original budget. Compute SV and CV for each activity and for the whole project. The schedule variance is the difference between EV and PV. The cost variance CV is calculated by subtracting actual cost from earned value. So, I've just describing to you the structure of a project monitoring information system, the process of project controlling, how to monitor time performance by using Gantt chart or control charts, the definition of earned value cost and schedule system. You are asked to read in the textbook of how to develop a status report, some indexes related to monitor progress, how to forecast final project cost, and other control issues. If you have any questions, please email me. Thank you and goodbye.